Hey guys, working on my 2015 Infiniti QX80, and I'm going to be replacing the cabin air filter. Let's jump into it. Right now I'm at the bottom of the cabin filter, and I'm going to stick my hand like right here and pull down. You can see there, we got a light here. Might even consider changing that. And we have 1, 2, and 3. Let me see what size. These look like Torx bits. And they are T20 Torx bits right here. I already removed the other 2 to save time. That's these 3 on the bottom. Now, unlike other Nissans, you can kind of just drop the this down, but I think you got to pull the whole thing out. I think I see 1, 2, and 3 more T20s. And this is the 3rd one right here. Like that. And she's out. I think now I can close this and possibly pull the whole thing out. You know what? I'm gonna keep it open and just pull down some like that. Oop, and the whole thing comes out. Okay. And I guess I would say, you know, remember to remove these lights. Messed up there. And we can see here our air box sits right in here. I'll pull this trigger. Ooh, I already don't like what I see. This is my first time ever changing this cabin filter on this vehicle. But now, I'm trying to pull her out. There we go. I think I'm getting her. And ooh, look at that. That is dirty. Yeah, this definitely needs to be changed. Alright, let me show you the new part. And I will be installing a K&N. This is a VF2076. This is a K&N cabin air filter. This is a lifetime air filter. It's electronically statically charged. This will last forever, and it works better than these standard paper filters. I plan on keeping this truck for a long time, so I want this to do its job very well. Don't quote me, I don't remember that well, but I think there's like 3 different kinds of cabin air filters. You got the paper, the charcoal, and the electronically statically charged. I put up the differences between the 3. There are quality differences in cabin air filters, but this is what our new cabin air filter looks like. She is beautiful, breathes better than this. It'll filter better than this. I mean, it'll still filter better than this, still allow great airflow. And when it's time for me to, this gets dirty, I can just clean it instead of throwing it away like these. One thing you see here is you don't actually see like an airflow directional thing here. So what you need to know is the way this came out, airflow comes down. So the arrow should point down, because this is where all the dirt is coming in at, from the top. And basically air comes in here and shoots down. So just make sure, if your cabin air filter has an arrow tab, make sure it sticks down. Let's get this in. I don't think this cabin air filter matters because they're identical on both sides. Either way, it'll get the job done. And for the sake of the video, I'm gonna install this straight up, and it should slide right in there. I'm struggling. I see they got these tabs here. Let me see. I might have to just be a little aggressive with it. There you go. Yep, it's got to be slightly aggressive with it, but she fits in there like a glove. Alright, so yeah, just push it in there good, and you'll see that it's slightly recessed in there. And then this will snap on. There you go. It's a firm fit, I'm not gonna lie, but once you get in there, you're good to go. And let's start throwing this stuff back. This. I'm just gonna snap this in place. There you you go, like that. And should pop in like that. Pretty beautiful. I'm gonna get all these little T's in here and I'll get back to you. All right, I have all 3 at the top, 3 at the bottom. Everything looks to be proper. Comes down, goes back, everything is flush. And just remember to click this in. Like that. And the 3 things you need to see, if you can't see it, there's a tab there, tab in the middle, tab on the end, and basically these sit in those tabs. That's how you know you have this bottom panel lined up correctly, like that, and boom, that's it. She's all done, and out with this old piece of junk, and in with this bad boy. Thanks for watching. Till next time, out. Bye.